discussing the properties today. The first one is zero product property. If two products add up to be zero, then at least one has to be zero. And then if you have this equation, then you solve for the equation, and you can have one of these three answers. X equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, and x minus 3 equals 0. Property is distributive property. Basically what you're going to do is distribute the 2 to the 2 and the 3. So it's going to end up 2 times 2 equals 4, and then 2 times 3 equals 6. Add those together and it equals 10. The next one we're talking about is community property of addition. So basically what that means is a plus b is still going to equal b plus a, and they're going to come out as the same answer. So 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. The next property is the associative property of addition. Basically, a plus parentheses b plus c is still going to equal the parentheses a plus b parentheses plus c. So all you're doing is making the parentheses in a different spot, and then it still comes out as the same answer. 4 plus 2, or 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. And then 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Next one we'll be talking about is equalities. So first off, we have to get the x to one side. So what we're going to do is parentheses first. Then now that we have that, let's bring everything down. Let's get the 3x to that side. Now that we have that, we gotta get the 28 to the other side. And there's your answer. Negative 23 equals x. Next one is inequalities. So you basically do the first thing for the first step, which is parentheses. Then you gotta get 3x to the other side. Now you have to minus 28 to both sides. And then your answer comes out to be negative 23 is less than x. Alright, next one we're going to do is point slope form. For the slope we have 1/4 and the points are 4 and 2. So your equation is going to be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 from right there, and then your slope is going to be 1/4, which is the m, and then x minus 4, and that comes from the points right here. So now we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form. The equation is going to be y equals mx plus b. So for the slope, we're going to have 1/4, and the points are going to be 4 and 2. So y equals the slope, which is 1/4 x, plus the y-intercept, which is 1. The last one is standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. So we're going to start off as a slope-intercept form, which is y equals 4x plus 2. Minus 2 to both sides, which is 4x minus y equals 2. And that'll give you your answer. I don't think you're right for him.